Hey y'all, how's it going? Rich with Burn Social back with another awesome 3D printing video. Today's topic is going to be top 3 3D prints for Christmas. Let's get right into the video. So today the first print on our list is going to be any type of tabletop decoration you kind of just sit around. So like a good example of that is this snowman. So I printed it in white PLA. What you do is you sand it down, then you take paint, you can even take actually like a Sharpie, and then color it in. You have a nice festive little holiday ornament. This is perfect for your desk at work. This is perfect for your dinner table, a shelf, whatever you want. It's lightweight, easy to store. If it breaks, you can print another one. All these are just decorative, so you can print them with a really low infill, have them come out quick. These also make awesome white elephant gifts or gifts for friends or family. So if you have one of those picky people that you're struggling to find something cool for this holiday season, I definitely recommend a 3D printed gift like some of these. If I find a good collection when I'm looking through later today, I'll put it in the description and then you can see what you like. Second up would be the classic Christmas cookie cutters. You can find a bunch of them online, but they're also really easy to make yourself. What you can do is you can take any image that you like, find like a clip art, something really hard black lines, go to convertio.com, convert that to an SVG file, and you can take your SVG and pop it into any CAD software that accepts it. I use Fusion 360. Extrude it out, add a little back bracing if you need to, and then these print. So the cool thing is that these come out quick. You could print them with a higher resolution, like 0.3mm layer height, or if you have a larger nozzle, you can even honestly bump it up to a 0.6. The only thing that really matters is the outline of the shape that's getting imprinted. I just print mine out of PLA. They come out super quick, super easy. You get fun festive things you can decorate. I get a little fancy with mine. And as you can see, I kind of dig a little ridge into them, so you get an indentation. It's really good for guiding frosting, putting eyeballs, buttons, ridges, anything like that. One thing I always like to note is that PLA isn't the most food safe product there. It's not like FDA approved for this sort of thing, and the reason is because when you have these layer lines, bacteria likes to nest in between them and can grow even when you give it a rinse in the sink afterwards. Personally, just as an anecdote, I've never had anyone get sick from using these, and especially if you're using it on raw cookie dough and then you're baking the dough after, I don't think it's as much of an issue. So these are just a couple examples I have. We have a whole bunch more if I could find them. They're quick and easy, and if you're not that familiar with CAD, I love making them too. So send me an email, send me a picture, and I might be able to actually create one for you. I'll leave a link in the description below to our little secret page on our website that we use for these, just so you can see some examples. You don't have to buy anything, and if you wanted a custom one, I'm more than happy to help pop out a file for you. I think it would be fun. Okay, third but not last, should be the most obvious one though, is Christmas ornaments. Oh, excuse me. We printed a handful of Christmas ornaments between last year and this year. I still have to go in the attic and get a couple of them down. Like here's an example of a funny one, an F2020 snowflake we made last year. If this video gets 20 thumbs up, I'll make a 2021 version, because 2021 and 2020 weren't that much different, and I'll link it down below in the description. These were funny, and what you can do is, as long as you manufacture a little hook for it, you can hook it on the tree, or then you can just take a paper clip, bend it into shape, and hook it on the tree. So I have examples of PLA ones that I've done, as well as we have a small little DLP Anycubic photon. So this one was printed with the resin, that's why it has such a high detail on it. It gives that kind of like oily finish. These make awesome family ornaments, awesome gifts. The cool thing about anything 3D printed or anything 3D modeled is that you can actually take it and personalize it. You can put your family name, you can put a lithophane on it. Lithophanes themselves are just an awesome idea for a Christmas ornament. You can write your name, put a picture, whatever you want. So that's the video. That was a really quick one, but I just really wanted to get something posted, 'cause it's been a while since I posted. I really enjoy making these videos, and hopefully this is a step in the right direction towards some more regular posting. This is a different type of video than we've done in the past, so let me know what you think. If you'd rather have these or the maintenance videos, general like commentary, comparison videos, whatever you want. I have, a million rolls of filament I've used, a bunch of different printers, so if you want to compare and contrast, that'll be fun. Yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment if you enjoyed or have any criticism. Always open to that. I love reading your comments. And thanks for watching. That's the video.